Let's go to a Texas ranch and deliver some signs and pet some animals.
Oh, this road's like my love language. Yes, please. I'll just live on this road. All right, this is supposed to be the right place. And if it's not, I'll get shot. Deliver this sign to this chick. You know? Ma'am? Hey, ma'am. Here's just another happy customer.
I think that means they like it. Perfect.
I'll show you where it's gonna go. It's gonna go right there. That one, and then that one, right there.
What'd you say? Oh. Even the goats speak Spanish here.
Nice. Okay, all right. Calm down. Get over here. Get a pet. Come on, get over here. I didn't ask if you bite. Cuteness alert. Oh! Look at you!
Look at you, big hoss.
I want to wrestle you. I can go inside. All right, who's fighting first? Hi. I'm petting goats. Hi. Look at you. I want to grab your horn. Let me grab your horn. Come here. I'm going on your playpen. What are you going to do about it? Bruh? Who's fighting? You? You big boy? You feeling frisky? Get over here. Yeah, that's what I thought. All right. Who gets one more pet before I go? I really want to grab your horn, though. I'm doing it. No, come here. I'll cut you up. You're not getting away from me. Oh, bitch. Get on! Listen, you have big horns, and I want to touch them. So stop walking away from me. Look, I tricked you. No, it's okay. I'm just petting you. See? I'm not touching your horns. I touched it. Oh, a little bit. Just giving you a pet. Fuck, you knew. Damn it. All right, you'll let me pet you. You're a nice one. You're all really nice. Good job.
Not even looking. Not even looking.
I got it. Yeah, I got your horn. Fuck you, I got it. I touched it. Here's baby ones. Apparently that dog ate one of them. I let himself a little Chick-fil-A nuggets. And who are you? And who are you? And who are you? And who are you? Who are you? You smell like you were over the couch here. I can smell you all the way from up here. Here's a little chicken nugget eater. Here's a little chicken nugget eater. Yeah, look at your face. You love it. Yeah, she took him inside. She took your dinner away.
Vamos adentro. Vamos adentro. Vamos para adentro.
What? She told me, she's like, all right, let me show you everybody. I'm going to tell you everybody's name. Then she said, but first, and then she turned around and started speaking Spanish. And then walked away. I don't know what she's doing. It's a goat lady.
Eh?
Who?
Juguete.
Juguete?
Well, in English is toy.
Toy?
Yeah.
Juguete.
And then chocolate.
I bet you know what that means. Chocolate?
And then Woody and Jessie.
Woody. Why would you give two of them exotic names and then two of them just go Woody and Jessie?
Because that's Isabella's naming.
Oh.
Chocoluki, Chiquiluki. Blanca, Lupe. Then we got Caramello. The other one is Ruby. Oh, and the little one, Magnolia.
I pet every single one of them.
Spanish name is Gringo.
Oh, the egg? Oh, the golden nuggets. Pretend you like it. Oh. Good job. Oh, you upset her. That one's fresh out of her butt. That's all yours. All yours. Everything the goats touch.
Yeah, right?
Go. And that's some of the ranch. There's way more to it, but we beat it just in time. It's starting to rain now. So that was super cool. And those signs look super awesome on that shed. So happy.